If you're looking to use your course platform to host paid workshops, you've come to the right place. In this quick 3-minute tutorial, we'll walk through how you can start hosting those workshops on your platform so you can start making money from your expertise today. Let's dive in. First, you need to make sure your course platform is set up to handle paid access. Most platforms, including the one we'll be using, have built-in payment processing features. If yours doesn't, you'll need a third-party payment processor to integrate with your course platform. Look for tools that allow you to collect payments upfront when users sign up for the workshop. Once your payment processing is set up, it's time to create your workshop content. This could be a series of live sessions or pre-recorded lessons. With the software we'll be using, you can create a landing page specifically for your workshop. You'll want to showcase the benefits, schedule, and pricing right there on the page, so it's easy for potential customers to see exactly what they're getting. Now, here's the fun part: marketing. Use your existing community, email list, or social media to promote your paid workshop. Highlight key takeaways and use scarcity tactics like early bird pricing or limited seats to create urgency. Your course platform should let you create promotions, discount codes, or even affiliate links for others to help promote your workshop. If you've built an audience that trusts your content, this is your chance to turn that into paid income. Another thing you can do is offer bonuses for workshop signups, like downloadable resources or access to a private community. This adds value and increases the perceived worth of your paid workshop. You can set this all up within the software platform, making it easy for your customers to access all their bonuses after they've made their purchase. Once your workshop is set up and promoted, it's time to manage the sessions. You can schedule and host live workshops through the platform's built-in webinar tools. These tools will allow you to stream your workshops and engage directly with your audience. Don't forget to enable features like chat, polls, and Q&A to make the experience interactive. After the workshop, you can offer your customers the opportunity to buy recordings, exclusive content, or even access to future workshops. This is an excellent way to generate ongoing income from a one-time workshop event. So, the key takeaway here: to use your course platform to host paid workshops, you need to ensure payment processing is set up, create high-quality workshop content, promote it effectively, and leverage your platform's tools to manage live sessions and offer additional content. Quick revision: set up payment processing, create a dedicated workshop landing page, market it through your existing audience, use bonus offers to sweeten the deal, and manage your live sessions with built-in tools. Before we wrap up, don't forget to take advantage of the exclusive free trial link in the description below. This software will help you get your paid workshops up and running without the headaches. Thanks for watching.